Hi friends, so before starting the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can get all my new video updates. So friends, today we will be creating an account in GitHub. So now you may be thinking, what is GitHub? So GitHub is a development platform inspired by the way you work. From open source to business, you can host and review code, manage projects and build software alongside 50 million developers. So it is a platform where you can contribute and even let others to contribute in your projects by making it open source. Okay, so today we will be creating an account in it. So there is also its largest developer event on December 8-10. So if you want, you can join that as well. So now let us create an account in it. So note that usernames should be unique. For example, yeah. So you can see a programming universal is available. Then an email ID and then the password. You have to create your own password. And then click enter. Now it's been verifying. Wait a minute. Yeah, click on verify. Then spiral galaxy this. Yeah, it's got verified. So here you can click the checkbox if you want some occasional product updates, announcements and offer. So I will be letting it checked. Join a free plan. Yeah. So for now I will be clicking on student only and a moderate amount. How much programming experience do you have? So I will be letting it moderate, and according to you, you can select what do you plan to use for GitHub. You can only select up to 3. Then you can here write what are the frameworks, languages, industries you are interested in, and then click on complete setup. Then they will send us an email verification. You can see here, yeah, it's here. Click on verify email ID. Close this tab. So you can directly start creating new projects and or skip this for now. So congratulations, you have created your own account in GitHub. And friends, if you like my video, please nominate me as a GitHub star. So what you have to do is go to stars.github.com, or I will be providing the link in the description below, and sign in with your GitHub account. Authorize GitHub, and yes, now you can nominate me. So here you have to just write Pulkit0076. It is my GitHub ID, and yeah, and then you can write something about me that you liked. For example, I am constantly contributing to the community with cool and useful code. So this is an example you can write in it, and then click on the checkbox and submit nomination, and then you are done. So thank you for watching my video.